What is this? It's white. Where are we, Liz?
We're down in Indian Creek.
How warm did you tell us it was going to be today?
Pretty warm.
50 degrees. Look
Sun.
up there. No, up,
What?
up, right here.
Where?
See if you can get that. How cold is it?
Oh dear.
Not
Woo.
50.
It ain't 50.
Not quite.
We're halfway there.
It ain't 50. 55?
What?
50, shrivity.
It looks like snow.
Yeah, that Toyota, he don't want to slow down either.
Why in anyone in their right mind would come out into this weather?
Here we have everyone in the crew.
These temperatures, this
James.
deep snow. Why? Because we're extreme! Raw!
That's right.
Live in the now!
Right, dog.
I'm sad.
Here we've got little Lexi.
David.
There we go.
Little Damien Rice.
All hoping for some climbing in the creek, but we got some sad faces here.
It's gonna work.
But excited for the snow.
Yes, kind of.
Because we got some skiing.
Probably not going to be snowing up north, though.
No.
Just down here where it's supposed to be warm and sunny.
Yeah, it's snowing. And
That's
snowing.
irony for you. Go figure.
I think.
I wonder what it is.
Go.
What it temp's like.
What do we got?